show you how to compile and run assignments for CISC 187. There are more details in the course reader, but this is just a quick summary. I'm running this on the Linux server on Mesa. Your account when you log in should look something like this. You download your assignments in a directory of your choosing. I put mine in the assignments directory. So I'm going to cd into assignments, and your assignments should all look something like this as well. We're going to build the first one today. Lab 1 hello. And when you go into that directory, you should see a CMake lists.txt and a source and a test directory and a README. The README will tell you what to do for each lab. We already know what to do for this lab, so I'm not going to open that file. I'm just going to start building. And the first step that CMake encourages is to put all of your build files in a separate directory. I expect you to put things in a directory called build. So if we cd into build and look at what we have, there's nothing in this directory. Okay, all of our source code is still up one directory and down in source. For this lab, I created it for you. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna run CMake dot dot. So that's referring to the CMake lists.txt that's in the parent directory of the one that we're in. And we're going to make all of the files that we need to compile our software. And now we can see that CMake has put a bunch of files in this formerly empty directory. The source and the test directories that are here do not contain copies of our source code. They contain more CMake files, and eventually our build artifacts, the output of the build, will go into these two directories. So now I can just type make. It will make everything. In this case, everything is a library named lab1, an executable program called hello, and an executable program called step1. Step1 is a test program. It goes in the test directory. And the hello program is a regular executable, goes in the source directory. So if I run source hello, it should say hello world. That's what I expect it to do. And if I run test step1, it runs my tests and I see that they passed. And that is the simplest way to compile and run your lab software.